Yahoo! Prof here with some more Pokemon pulls. This time we've got the Mimikyu Sidekick collection. Because, you know, what's the next best thing after Pikachu? Mimikyu! It includes a Mimikyu Sidekick Dangler. When my brain hears Dangler, I just think about fishing. You know, like with worms, you got themselves a dangler. And then this one is Amazon Warehouse deal. I don't think any packs are missing. They're just like, this thing probably got bopped around. It took a decent hit at some point, but down here you can see on the back. So especially with those packs misaligned, I can see why somebody wouldn't necessarily want this if they're collecting the box itself. I think I mentioned that a couple videos back when we did Pokemon pulls. Amazon put the warehouse label right over top of what's inside. I think it says a foil promo card, an awesome dangler, and 3 booster packs. So Mimikyu is one of the most awesome Pokemon. So let's get this cracked open, and then we'll get to some pulling. You know, that's the whole point of this, right? Pokemon's pulls. Gotta pull them Pokemons. Yep, there's definitely 3 packs in there. Alright, let's get a pull in here. Definitely 3 packs in there. Let's take a peek at our card here. We do have an online card. Probably keeping that one for myself as well because I like Mimikyu. The actual packs, you guys will be able to have with the code for the box. I think, sorry, I like Mimikyu too much. Super dark with just a couple dots there. If you can see them really. Cat hairs everywhere. I'm covered in cat hairs. Check out the Twitter. It's got videos of, I'm not even done unboxing it, and Hamlet's already just standing in the box of tins. Here is our Mimikyu Dangler. Hey, it dangles. So, yeah. I'll probably find something to do with that. 2017. That has been a while in here then. Yeah, that Dangler I'm definitely going to want to do something with. I haven't really done much with the pins or anything like that. But this here Dangler, mostly because it's Mimikyu. Okay, we got a Breakthrough, which is the oldest pack in here. Then we have Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows, and Sun and Moon. So let's take a crack here at let's do oldest or newest to oldest. So I got Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows first here. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Is this better? This is top light on and the 2 front lights. What about that? Personally, I think it's easier to see with this lighting. So that's how we're going to continue. If I'm wrong, hit me up in the comments. It's a bit easier on my eyes too, because the light's coming from behind me rather than in front of me. Let's give it a little sniffy sniff. A little bit spicy on that guy. We got a white back. I don't remember if that means anything for Sun and Moon. I really need to start picking up packs here. You guys will be able to get that one. Hit me up on Twitter. Really, any of those over there? That big old stack there. At the Propsist. Just say, hey, I watched blah blah video. Can I have a Sun and Moon Burning Shadows pack? Sure, probably. We did 1, 2, 3. Flip her over. Oh, I guess it's 4 for this one, and I might have seen something. Yeah. I don't know if it's something that's good or not, but it's something. It's either a reverse hollow that's printed poorly or a good card. So I can't get my hopes up too much. We got an Electric Energy. We got Dusclops. I can see something else peeking through again. Simisear. Mount Lanakilla. Wimpod. Togedemaru. Always so happy. Krogunk. Pansear. Magikarp. Very classic style Magikarp. Simisage, Reverse Hollow. Definitely have that one already. And Gardevoir GX. So we did have something real nice in there. Gardevoir GX. Not bad. Not bad. Still rolling with the yellow sleeves because we got plenty. If I ever do an unboxing that's a lot at once, like I'm going to be doing those, we got 3 V-Powers tins in a row. We might go with another color. Oh, this one looks real good. This Gardevoir. Have I not opened one of these recently? This is pointing to the fact that I really need to put away, oh jeez, put away things as I drop them. Okay, we saved him. These guys are real slippery. Real slippery. Those are my coins and pins, and I put them in the black sleeves because I can just get more black sleeves at Walmart if I run out. And I was wrecking the coins because I would just toss them in a pile and there's plastic. It would just chip off and chunk off the shiny bits. Oh, that was a solid, yep, solid Sun and Moon there. Alright. Green back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire. Probably what I would guess next after I should have been guessing. But after Electric. Steenie. Bone Sweet is the evolved form of Bone Sweet. I don't think I have that one yet. Big Malasada. Hypno. These are a little bent. It can happen sometimes, especially with older packs. Like this is 2017, I think it said, and this is Amazon Warehouse as well. So probably got a little bit. That EB always gets me, not in a good way either. Jupiter, Poliwag. I like that Poliwag. It's well done. Paris, Action Shot. Reminds me of the original a little bit. Chinchou. We have Granbull. Definitely have a reverse hollow Granbull in my collection already, and a Primarina, like sort of like Prima Donna, but Marina because water type, I'm guessing. Yeah, if you guys need a Granbull reverse, let me know. Okay, and our last pack of this Sidekick collection is Breakthrough, which is a pretty cool setup from my experience. I don't have many though because it's old compared to what I usually can get my hands on. Got a white back. I don't know if that matters for this one, but hopefully we get something spicy here. We're going to do 3 just to be safe. I think X and Y is usually 3. We got a card now that's a little bit different colored. Hope you guys can see that. Got myself a big old stack of batteries now. And I can't get them anymore through Best Buy. They're just out of stock. I couldn't, when I reordered 2 more of these, get the ones that came with the charger, which I really wish I had 4 chargers for my 5 batteries, because I have 1 in the camera and 4, because these take longer to charge than they do to discharge, substantially. Yeah, I got 2 more of these, so I got a total of 5 batteries now. Hopefully that means by the time, still don't think with 5, by the time like you're done with the first one, 4 more will still not get you done with the first one. But hopefully it'll just be enough for recording at once for me. So, we have a Grand Bowl again. Judge. Frogadier. Panpour. Vanillite. Panseer. Pancham. That's actually a pretty good one, where you like music notes and stuff. Inkay. All these are like really matte, lightly printed. Then we have a Vanillite. I think that's the one that had like the different colored back. Reverse hollow. And if this is... Oh, I see something back there. Yeah. Oh, baby. Mega Mewtwo EX. That deserves a snappy shot. Oh, baby. Yep. That is a pull. That is friggin' awesome. Mega Mewtwo EX. And that's why I was saying that those breakthrough packs are awesome. Because they have cards like that in there. I should have a stack of those around here someplace. If I don't, I'll be real surprised. Nope. I guess I don't. That means I gotta put cards away. All of these really need to get sorted into there, down there. And that's actually not enough. So, that too. Let's take a look at what we pulled though. Okay, this isn't really a pull, but this is what the Mimikyu Sidekick collection came with. This awesome Mimikyu here with the hollow promo card, Semi-Sage reverse hollow. Definitely have one of those ready. But then we pulled a Gardevoir GX. Pretty dope pull, in my opinion. Grand Bolt reverse hollow, Vanillite reverse hollow, and then the Mega Mewtwo EX. Pretty darn dope. I'm sure there's probably doper cards in that breakthrough pack, because this is only 63. This is still freaking awesome though. I think that's the pull right there. I mean, the Gardevoir is pretty dope as well. Well, let me know down below, what do you think the best card in here was? Do you share my opinion on that Mega Mewtwo EX? As always, subscribe, hit notify, and if you really want to get notified and see the videos as soon as they come out, follow on @TechExchange on Twitter and Instagram, as I manually post stuff there, because YouTube does not always push, because our channel is really small. Doesn't always push it to your sub feed if you have a ton of channels posting daily in there. I just get kind of booted out, even seen on my own subscription feed. So hopefully we'll see in the next one. If you go back a couple videos and you check out the Poke Haul, you will see what to expect. A whole bunch of various things that I managed to get my hands on, and hopefully you guys will be along for the Pokemon pulls coming up here. See ya. Have a good one.